to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this beautiful BMW 1 Series M Sport. It's a new shape facelift model, pearlescent blue paintwork, absolutely sparkles. It's incredible. It's got the full black pack on, it's got the Pro Sport on it, beautiful tungsten grey alloy wheels with the Estral blue calipers. Previously glass to the rear park distance control. Look at that beautiful deep M Sport rear diffuser, absolutely beautiful. M Sport body styling all the way around it. This car looks and drives absolutely incredible, practically unmarked. Boot areas as you would expect. Door shuts and around there, it's all immaculate. Partial shelf. It's the 116D M Sport. Don't confuse it with the lower sport model. It's got upgraded full leather interior with white stitch piping. We've got this lovely M Sport logo on the seat belts. Really is a nice touch, that is. It's got lighting in there as well. Ambient lighting in the evenings. Harman Kardon, again, lovely touch. M Sport on the kick sills, beautiful seats, no wear on them at all. And then we get into the cockpit, which is a really nice place to be. It's got the M Sport leather steering wheel, nice and thick and chunky. Auto headlights, cruise control. Just start the car up. So you've got all the beautiful looking cockpit. Got the satellite navigation, reverse park distance control, audio and visual, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, different driving styles, full iDrive connectivity. Don't know whether I mentioned cruise control, but there it is. Absolutely beautiful. Got an AUX there. Sorry, not an AUX, a USB. Let's get that right. Got a USB in the centre console. Fantastic condition. Really love these new M Sports. 62,908. Even the colour of the car with the wheels on the dashboard. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.